The ignition system is the heart of your vehicle's operation, acting as the complex network responsible for creating the controlled explosions that move your car down the road. Whether you are driving an old-school classic or a brand-new electric hybrid, the basic principle of starting that fire remains a fundamental part of automotive engineering. In a traditional gasoline engine, this system is made up of a team of parts including the battery, the ignition coil, the distributor, and the spark plugs. The process begins the moment you turn the key or push the start button. A low-voltage signal travels from the battery to the ignition coil, where it is boosted into a high-voltage charge that can jump the gap of a spark plug. In older cars, a mechanical distributor would then spin around to send that electricity to each cylinder at exactly the right time. Modern cars have ditched the moving parts in favor of electronic ignition systems that use computer-controlled transistors for much better reliability and power. If any single part of this system fails, the whole engine becomes a heavy piece of metal that refuses to start. Common signs of a struggling ignition system include a car that cranks but won't fire up, an engine that stutters or hesitates when you try to accelerate, or a strange vibrating sensation while you are sitting at a stoplight. Because the ignition system is so closely tied to your fuel economy and emissions, keeping it in top shape is essential for passing your annual inspections and keeping your car running as efficiently as possible. It is the invisible force that turns a tank of gas into the mechanical energy that carries you wherever you need to go.